Welcome to the MCRA Industry Leader Interview Series featuring MCRA members Command Direct and 360 Insights. My name is Rebecca Preslar, and I am the Marketing Manager for the Managed Care Resource Alliance, or MCRA for short. And it's my privilege today to speak with President and CEO of Command Direct, Gary Bolnick, and the Head of Healthcare Partnerships and Strategy at 360 Insights, Bianca Carr. Gary and Bianca, thank you for joining us today.
Hi, Rebecca.
Thank you.
So today's discussion is on driving transformation, a collaborative journey in patient engagement. Before we jump into the discussion, I'd like to share a little background on MCRA for anyone listening who's not yet familiar with the Alliance. MCRA was founded in 2021 with a focus of fostering opportunities between leading managed care vendors. MCRA takes a unique approach by giving members exclusivity in their defined industry category. And that means there's no competition within the group, allowing for open conversations, problem solving, and partnerships between members. With access to health plan leaders, MCRA provides its members with insight into their clients' real challenges, allowing them to adapt their solutions and focus on business development opportunities through relationship building. MCRA's unique collaborative approach brings managed care vendors together to solve problems. And today is a success story of these partnerships. Gary, would you share how Command Direct and 360 Insights were first connected through MCRA?
Absolutely. Thank you, Rebecca. More than happy to share about this success story. Very proud of it. So MCRA has been very instrumental in helping Command Direct specifically address a lot of the challenges its clients are facing around incentive programs. As we all know, today's complex managed care environment, it can be extremely challenging as a vendor to provide a solution that meets the needs of so many different types of organizations. And through MCRA, I have access to so many of the industry leading resources that in many ways are now my partners, which means I have access to a higher level of expertise that I can share with my clients. And this is the mindset that brought together Command and 360 Insights. Just to get started for this story, my company, Command Direct, provides a very broad range of communication services, print, mail, electronic communications to health plans. So a lot of these types of communications relate to comprehensive programs, often that tie into things like incentive programs that are designed to engage with the patients. So prior to our partnership with 360 Insights, our solution at Command was very much focused on the operational side of these programs, the design and the print and the mail. And although many of our clients were hoping for a successful program, most were really focused on a little bit of a check the box approach where the focus was on meeting the requirement without the full focus around patient engagement and how these campaigns could have an impact. We found most of these campaigns within the client experience that we had very little insight into how to better engage with the members or how to just achieve better results. This was the challenge that I brought to MCRA and where this exciting partnership with Bianca Carr from 360 Insight began. Bianca and I had worked together before prior to MCRA, so I was aware of who she was and her standing as an incentive program leader. But after connecting a little bit more deeply within MCRA and seeing 360 Insights platform more closely, I got a sense for their consultative approach, and it aligned with the way we dealt with our clients. And it was very apparent that there could be a very successful partnership that would benefit everybody, a win-win for our clients and a way to enhance 360 and Command's platforms to the benefit of all. And to that point, I think it has worked. It's been a success, and we're seeing results that we have not seen, I think, independently. I think together we're providing a better solution.
That's fantastic, Gary. I love hearing about how MCRA brought your companies together. Thank you for providing us with that background. So you mentioned patient engagement. Let's talk a little bit more about that. What is patient engagement in healthcare and why is it so important?
Thanks, Gary and Rebecca. That's a great question. Patient engagement involves encouraging patients to make informed decisions about their own health. And we know that an engaged patient is known as an activated patient, meaning that they engage in positive behavior like managing their own health and care. And that ultimately helps improve health outcomes and lower costs. Why is this important? Well, overall health of the patient and more engagement and awareness of health leads to less chronic conditions and future chronic conditions and health issues. And to health plans, that's critical for managing costs. Let me give you an example. A small growing regional Medicare Advantage health plan in year 3 of existence in the Northwest part of the country was looking to build a patient engagement program and name recognition in the market against other regional and national plans. They really wanted to bring a sense of care and community. This plan called on me to help them conduct a patient pilot. With the collaboration of 360 Insights and Command Direct, we built a member-focused wellness program around engagement and the use of rewards to drive those health outcomes, technology, and the measurement of their quality ratings. And at the start of the pilot with the health plan, the wellness program had very little engagement, 6%, and that was through their own portal. After 3 months, we were at 9%. And after 6 months, we were at 23% engagement. And now, after a full scale rollout, after 1 year, we were at 43%. And now going into year 2, we're at 52%. And what I love to see with this program is that they have continued to roll out this program and add different care gaps. But the most important thing is they've grown enrollment and they've actually moved a whole star quality rating, which is very impressive. And what made this concept work was simple communication, a clear strategy, educating the patients on the why they should be concerned with their health.
Thank you, Bianca, for that information. That is very valuable data. We know that this is a competitive landscape. Could you tell us why clients select to work with your company?
Yeah, they really selected us, you. That was their answer, that we took the time to educate them on the reward landscape, to understand what their strategy was. It's not a one size fits all, and we use specific different measurements and levers to create a program that is focused on their specific members.
That's excellent to hear how your clients value your personalized approach. Moving forward, how do you foresee this collaboration between Command Direct and 360 Insights evolving?
Yeah, I'm happy to take that. So last year, our partnership was about proving a concept, and I think we did that. So this year, I think it's about building on the successes so that we could really not only take what we've built, but enhance it and make it even better for the benefit of our clients. In 2023, we launched a platform called Command Direct, powered by 360 Insights. And this is a solution that's built on what we've already proven. And what we've tried to do is enhance it even further. Basically, the idea is that we're providing a standardized method of creating a platform, but we're incorporating a very high level of flexibility, meaning there's no one size fits all. Companies can build an incentive solution in a very simple way, but also in a way that is tailored to their specific strategy. So this could relate to their line of business, maybe their marketing approach, or even something about their market. So by doing it in a way that is flexible, we feel like we'll allow plans to put an incentive program in place in a very cost-effective way, but one that will speak directly to its audience. At the same time, we're focusing on efficiency, ensuring that our solutions seamlessly meet the needs of health plan budgets with the ability of leveraging the respective strengths of our organizations. So together we have an opportunity to really change the way these programs are created and the way that they're managed and the way that they're reported on. So we're excited about what's coming this year.
Thank you, Gary and Bianca, for joining us today and sharing how your collaboration developed through MCRA into a functional partnership for incentive programs and patient engagement. For anyone interested in learning more about Command Direct powered by 360 Insights, you can visit the website on the screen for more information. And for all of our viewers, be sure to tune in again for another MCRA industry leader interview coming soon.